Students, in this video I am trying to explain some important rules of trigonometry. Sine rule and cosine rule are two basic rules of trigonometry. It makes easier to find out the unknown angle or side of a triangle. Not only right angle triangle, any triangle sides and angles can be calculated by using sine rule and cosine rule. Let's take first sine rule. Sine rule states that the ratio of side of a triangle to its sine of its corresponding angle remains constant. You may observe here in the equation a by sine a. A is the side here and a is the angle here. So a side divided by sine of angle a is equal to b by angle sine b equals c by angle sine c. So in this way sine ratio is defined. A by sine a equals b by sine b equals c by sine c. Here we can take any pair, any one pair. You can observe the black box here. A by sine a equals b by sine b. This pair can be taken to calculate the unknown value, whether side or angle. You can observe the blue box here, blue line box. In this blue line box, it is shown that b by sine b equals c by sine c. That means you can take this pair. You can observe here the two pink boxes. A by sine a equals c by sine c. You can take these two pairs also to find the unknown value of any side or angle of a triangle. In this way, we made it easy to calculate the unknown side or angle. How to calculate an unknown side or angle by sine rule, I will explain it in simple exercise problems. So problem number 1, find the unknown value of following diagram. You may observe in the diagram a is the unknown value. A is the unknown value with question mark. So you have to find a. You should take a by sine a is compulsory. A by sine a. Angle A is given, it is 30 degree. Next you have to take B because B side is given and B angle is given. So you have to take B by sine B. You can neglect C by sine C here, C by sine C, because no C values are given, whether angle or side are not given. So you have to take A by sine A equals B by sine B. So just substitute the known values. Substitute the known values. A by sine 30 degree here equals 10 by sine 60 degree. 10 is the value of B, the length of side B, and sine 60 degree is the angle of B. So A by sine 30, by the trigonometry table we should know the value of sine 30, that is 1 by 2. Equals, similarly we should know the value of sine 60, it is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Just by simple mathematics, it becomes 2a equals 10 into 2 divided by root 3. Because here 4 steps comes. A by 1 by 2. The 2 comes in multiplication with the numerator a. Similarly, 2 comes in multiplication with the numerator 10 here. So 2a equals 10 into 2 divided by root 3. So 2 cancels once. A equals 10 by root 3. The answer for side A is 5.77 centimeter. In this way we can find out the unknown value of the length of a side. In the next example, I am going to give you some simple example to find the unknown value of angle. In exercise problem number 2, find the unknown value of the following diagram. So in the following diagram, the question mark here for angle C. For angle C, the question mark is there. So the given data is angle A, side A, angle C we have to find, side C is given 5 centimeter. So we can take the formula A by sine A equals C by sine C. We can neglect B by sine B because B data is not given here. So just substituting the given values, we get value of A is 3 divided by sine 45 degree angle A equals value of C is 5 and sine C we have to find, just keep it like that. So by substituting the value of sine 45 degree from the table we have noted, that is sine 45 equals 1 by root 2. Just taking the values, so 1 by root 2, as I explained in the previous problem, here 1 by 2 comes multiplication with the numerator. 3 into root 2 equals 5 by sine C. Just by cross multiplication we get sine C equals 3 into root 2 divided by 5. Sine C equals 0.85. By taking inverse law, that is to find angle C, we have to take sine inverse here. Sine to the power minus 1 into 0.25. By by scientific calculator or by log table we can find the sine inverse 0.85 value, that is angle C becomes 58 degree. So here angle C becomes 58 degree. So generally this type of problems are needed of scientific calculator or the table, the log table, for finding the values. But if it is not provided in the examination, these type of values will be given in the problem itself. If sine inverse this much is 58 degree, like that they will give. Otherwise the simple problems will be given. So these are the two basic simple examples of sine rule. Let's take the cos rule. Cos rule is similar to sine rule. Here also we can find the value of unknown sides or unknown angles. A, B, C is the unknown sides. Cos A, cos B, cos C are the unknown angles. We can find easily the unknown sides and angles of a triangle by cos rule also. In the problem number 3, I have tried to explain to find the unknown angle of a triangle by cosine rule. The cosine rule is, as I shown in the cos rule here, cos A equals B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. This formula is used here for explaining the cos rule. To solve this problem, I have taken the simple problem. ABC is a triangle, not right angle, any triangle. ABC is any triangle with the side B 3 centimeter, A side 1 centimeter, C is also 3 centimeter. Taking the cos A formula to find the value of angle A, cos A equals B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Just substituting the value of ABC here, B is 3, C is 3, minus A is 1. So denominator 2 into 3 into 3, value of B 3, C 3. By simplification we get cos A equals 17 by 18. 17 by 18 here. So angle A you should take cos inverse. You should read as cos inverse, cos to the power minus 1. Cos inverse of 0.944. By scientific calculator or by table we are finding the angle of A as 90 degree. So if it is not provided the scientific calculator or the log table, these type of problems are not given in the examination. If they are given, they are provided with scientific calculator or tables. Next, in the exercise number 4, I have explained to find out the value of find the unknown value of a side A. We have to find the angle side length of side A here. Problem number 4, find the unknown value of following diagram. In the diagram, question mark is with the side A. Take the formula A square equals B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Note here, the cos A angle is given 60 degree. The value of cos A is in the note, cos 60 degree equals 1 by 2. So just by substituting 4 square, 3 square minus 2 into 4 into 3 cos 60 degree. 4 square becomes 16, 3 square becomes 9 minus 2 into 4 8, 8 3s are 24, cos 60 degree value is half. So 24 by 2, 12, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 minus 12, it becomes 25 minus 12, it becomes 13. It becomes 13. 13 root, it becomes almost 13 root, it becomes around 3.3, around 3.3 centimeter. So in this way we can find out the value of unknown side using cos rule. Both sine rule and cos rule are very simple and important rules in the trigonometry. To find the value of unknown sides and angles of a general triangle other than right angle triangle, we should use the sine rule and cos rule. In general triangle, we can find the unknown values of side or angles just by using the sine rule and cos rule of a trigonometry function. So this is about sine rule and cos rule, and two simple problems I have explained here. And you can find the value of any sides. Okay, if A is given, you can find C. If BA is given, you can find C. If AC is given, you can find B, like that. You can find any angles, A, B or C, any angles you can find. So similarly, as we know, the total angle of a triangle is 180 degree. If two angles are given, you can find the other value by adding and subtracting from 180 degree. So thank you for watching, and in the next video I am going to give you some applications of trigonometry like sine bar. So thanks for watching. Thank you.